Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common cause of peptic ulcer disease? The correct answer is H. pylori infection. H. pylori infection is the most common cause of peptic ulcer disease, followed by NSAID use. Sariyana badil. NSAID. Question 2. A definitive diagnosis of celiac disease usually requires which of the following? The correct answer is small intestinal biopsy. While blood tests are screening tools, a small intestinal biopsy showing characteristic villus atrophy is required for a definitive diagnosis of celiac disease. Sariyana badil. Question 3. Which feature is characteristic of Crohn's disease but typically not seen in ulcerative colitis? The correct answer is skip lesions and transmural inflammation. Crohn's disease is characterized by skip lesions, discontinuous inflammation, and transmural inflammation, affecting all layers of the bowel wall, whereas ulcerative colitis involves continuous inflammation primarily affecting the mucosal layer. Sariyana badil. Question 4. Chronic pancreatitis can lead to malabsorption, primarily affecting the absorption of which type of nutrients? Chronic pancreatitis, malabsorption. The correct answer is fats. Chronic pancreatitis impairs the production of pancreatic enzymes, particularly lipase, which is crucial for fat digestion and absorption, leading to steatorrhea and fat-soluble vitamin deficiencies. Sariyana badil. Question 5. The BRICS nations recently adopted the Guwahati Declaration. What was its primary focus? BRICS. The correct answer is combating drug trafficking. The BRICS nations adopted the Guwahati Declaration to combat drug trafficking, emphasizing partnership and real-time intelligence sharing. Sariyana badil. BRICS. Question 6. Scientists recently developed an Internet of Things, IoT, based health tracker for which high-altitude animal in the Himalayas? IUD. The correct answer is yak. An IoT-based health tracker has been developed for yaks to monitor their health and movement in remote Himalayan regions. Sariyana badil. IUD. Question 7. Which Indian state recently introduced a free breakfast and lunch scheme for students from nursery to class 12? Pannirandu. The correct answer is Telangana. Telangana has introduced a free breakfast and lunch scheme for students from nursery to class 12 to ensure nutritional support and encourage school attendance. Sariyana badil. Pannirandu. Question 8. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? The correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya Empire in ancient India around 322 BCE. Sariyana badil. 322. Question 9. The Battle of Plassey, which marked a significant turning point in Indian history, was fought in which year? The correct answer is 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought on 23 June 1757 between the British East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah, leading to British dominance. சரியான பதில் 1757. 23 1757. Question 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies? The correct answer is Article 32. Article 32 allows citizens to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. சரியான பதில் 32. 32. Question 11. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is the Vice President of India. As per Article 64 of the Indian Constitution, the Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. சரியான பதில் 64. Question 12. Which mountain range is also known as the Sahyadri Mountains? The correct answer is Western Ghats. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are also known as the Sahyadri Mountains. சரியான பதில். Question 13. Which river is often referred to as the Dakshin Ganga, Ganga of the South? The correct answer is Godavari. The Godavari River is the second longest river in India and is often referred to as the Dakshin Ganga due to its length and significance. சரியான பதில். Question 14. What is the primary function of hemoglobin in the human body? The correct answer is transporting oxygen. Hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells, is responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. சரியான பதில். Question 15. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The correct answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria generate most of the chemical energy needed to power a cell's biochemical reactions, hence referred to as the powerhouse. சரியான பதில். Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.